This message is brought to you by the Jamaica Environment Trust.
We have a right to a healthy environment. At the law, so don't break our bennett. Anybody who pollute cause big problems. Don't just watch it, you have to report them.
We need clean air to breathe, good healthy food to eat, grown clean and naturally. We have to take responsibility.
Excessive deforestation, burning garbage, dust and noise creation is an unlawful violation. We have to practice conservation. We have a right to a healthy environment. At the law, so don't break our bennett. If you have an issue, make a complaint. Let's work together to protect Jamaica. We have a right to a healthy environment. At the law, so don't break our bennett. We have to do our part to keep the place clean and take care of our island scene.
We all have a right to a healthy and clean environment. Report any issues to the authorities if you feel your rights have been breached. Call the Jamaica Environment Trust for more information.